Hello friend, so how are you? I hope you will be very fine. So I will make today I will make a flower from Python coding, and also I tell you how to make flower from Python coding. Do want you know? So then watch full video and don't skip video. So I am Amarjeet, and now you are watching expert coding. So let's go on going on the question. So I going on. Finally, I am came on the stop screen and open your notepad and let's write our program. Notepad, there let's write our program. So here write our program. First I write here import. First here write here import turtle and hit enter. Next take variable and here storage turtle dot turtle capital turtle. So turtle and open bracket close bracket and hit enter. So take variable x is equal to turtle dot screen dot screen here showing my flower and here making my flower so on turtle screen now here screen color so which type color screen you tell me which type color I give here bg color bg color I give here which type color here I give black color black and hit enter good now see pen color which type pen color I give red pen color and hit enter now I give speed speed I give I think I'll give zero speed and hit enter and here I put it here for loop so here I write for I in range here give I 5150 and put colon and here C C dot circle 190 190 I can I comma 90 and hit enter again here come and t dot lt t dot lt that height hit 90 so 92 again 90 and hit enter again here came t dot circle t dot circle again here give 190 190 hyphen high comma 90 and hit enter and here give t again write this in front of this lt and here I write 80 and my program is complete successfully so my program is ready now I'm going to run this program so first I save this program and here I save on desktop here write flower dot py and hit save and open our command prompt so here first I go on desktop screen and hit enter so here python for flower dot py and hit enter so I think friends, my program is successfully done and make flower in good light, is good and beautiful. Again, I run, so it is very beautiful. So if you think video is good, so like and share and subscribe because always time I will come new video. So thank you friends for watching.